Yan guys, napakagandang falls. Okay guys, lalapit tayo konti. Yan guys, tingnan nyo guys, napakaganda na falls guys. So diba, ang taas na falls. So yan, may naliligo guys. Yan, yan, ay ulo. Yan guys, welcome.
Can you send it later? My phone is
Yan. Guys, napakaganda.
Karon pakakato.
Oh, first time na ako dito din, ma'am. Yan guys, yan ang mga cottage na yan. Pwede naririntahan. Yan. Tapos dyan guys, may balsa. Yan. Oh, lingaw kayo sila guys. Come on akong guys. Okay.